Hi gang, we're going to do 47. This one is quite tricky, and what's making it so tricky is that it's got a very complicated composite. Alright, so for instance, what students don't recognize when they see this is in their head they're sort of seeing an X here, which there is not. There is not. This whole thing is actually shoved into here. And yes, you can shove a trig function inside a trig function. All right, so this is strictly a composite. This is not sine function times cosine function. This is in it. So what I'm saying is that there is a sine function here, and inside a sine function, you can put whatever you want inside a sine function. You can put an x squared. You can put an x squared plus y squared. You can put inside a trig function, you can put another trig function. You can actually substitute in a trig function in where the x is. So notice that's not the same as saying sine x cosine x. Okay, there's not two x's here, there's one, which means that this is like a double layer. Like sometimes you see those videos where a snake eats a snake, like the snake is actually inside of the other snake. Sometimes that happens. You get something similar inside of itself. All right, gang. So this is actually strictly chain rule because there's no x here. There's no product. So this is really oddball looking. So the outer layer is the sine, and all of this is the inside. All right. So derivative of sine is cosine, keeping everything else the same. I'm just going to put brackets just to help your brain sort of separate things. So that's the derivative of the sine. Now that the sine is gone, that outer layer is gone, I'm going to take the derivative of this. So this is 6x, oops, and this is negative sine x. Alright, so this looks really weird, but this is the final answer. I'm just trying to see what kind of order I want to write it in. Okay, there's really no nice order for this. I'll just put this guy in the front and this guy in the back. Okay, and again, real weirdo answer, but we are in calculus and things are going to get, you know, challenging at times. Alright gang, that was strictly composite. I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.